Good day, my beautiful people. Welcome back to today's video, today's vlog. So guys, I will be teaching you how to, you'll be learning how to do this dread style. It's so simple. The hairstyle, what I love about this hairstyle is that the hairstyle can last you for a month or more than if you want to just carry the hair for long. You guys know what I'm talking about. This dread hairstyle is so good and so nice. Also, it will help you too if you are the type that does not have chance for making hair almost every 2 to 3 weeks. Guys, I recommend you to do this type. This dreadlock is so good and so amazing. Stay tuned and watch to the end. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If today is your first time of seeing my video, you're highly welcome to slayandstyletv.com. In here we share very beautiful and amazing fashion styles, hairstyles, ideas for our beautiful African subscribers. Thank you very much once again. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share, like, comment, and turn on your notification bell so that I get notified anytime we post a new video. You will see the video fast and grab your seat and watch these amazing trending styles of the year. Enjoy watching this video, guys, and tell me what you want. Are you going to try this hairstyle, guys? If you want me to post any video for you, feel free to put it down in the comment section, guys. I will get back to you.
Kan kita sekolah, oke, kan yang aku ngomong, mah orang kamu kita, aku ngomong, mah, kaya aku sih kalau, ayahnya ini pelatih mau jadi minyak kamu, agak, ada baru kusada yang aku, yang ini senang itu, ada, itu pernah